So this is a test on how to set up Google Sheets on your models. You can head over to the export section in the workflow section of your model. Now, once you go to the export section, you can select the Google Sheet integration. So I'm going to delete the integration I had. I'm going to go ahead and add a new one. Now, once it gets added, I'm going to go ahead and authenticate my account. So let's connect the Google Sheets account. Let's call it Google Sheets test. I'm going to go ahead and allow this. And once this is added, I'm going to go ahead. You can see that it was added. I'm going to go ahead and add the mapping. So I'm going to choose this Google Sheet, the conditional export one. Over here, um, I'm going to choose the test sheet and it's going to pull up the columns. So in the columns, I'm going to just map the buyer name, description, the invoice date, and the invoice number. In the export trigger, I'm just going to choose on inference, export action, only insert. And I'm going to go ahead and test this action. So you can see the status was success. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see that the data was exported correctly. So that's how the Google Sheets integration works.